Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Wednesday's financial news. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The dollar-yen pair corrected downwards in the last session, falling 0.2%. The RSI's negative signal is in line with the overall technical analysis. The last session saw the Bitcoin rise 0.5% against the dollar. The ultimate oscillator is giving a positive signal. The last session saw the gold rise 0.7% against the dollar. The RSI is giving a negative signal. The oil-dollar pair rose 0.7% in the last session. The Williams indicator is giving a positive signal.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analyst for today.
Energy stocks rallied alongside crude oil prices, helped by easing worries over the US banking sector and as Iraq was forced to stop some of its crude exports from the Kurdistan region. The US dollar fell as receding fears of a full-blown banking crisis slowed demand for so-called safe haven assets. The yen rallied, with analysts pointing to a pickup in flows ahead of the end of Japan's fiscal year on Friday. Binance USD, a stable coin pegged to the US dollar, endured over $500 million in outflows in the roughly 24 hours since a US lawsuit was filed against Binance and CEO Changpeng Zhao, data shows.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The US MBA mortgage applications will be released at 1100 hours GMT. The US EIA crude oil stocks change at 1430 GMT. Germany's GfK Consumer Confidence Survey at 0600 hours GMT. The French Consumer Confidence will be released at 0645 GMT. Japan's foreign bond investment at 2350 GMT. Japan's foreign investment in Japan stocks at 2350 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Wednesday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.